Hi everyone, today we are making crispy thyme fries, golden on the outside, fluffy on the inside and packed with Mediterranean flavor. They are simple to make and absolutely delicious. Let's go. Before I continue, I have to mention that the idea comes from the Chief Piège and you can find him into the description below. Then I put the frying oil into a large saucepan and of course you can find all the ingredients into the description below. Then I take the herbs, I picked them into the forest, so I've got thyme and savory, but of course you can use fresh dill, rosemary, it works as well. So yeah, the frying oil is cold, and then I'm going to increase the heat, so medium to high heat. I will let them infuse during 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Now I'm peeling my potatoes, and as you can see I let the ends. It will be more beautiful. I took Roseval potatoes, but of course you can take any potatoes as long as you can use them for the fries. Now I'm going to slice the potatoes, pretty much the same slices. It's okay if they have not the same size. Some will be more crispy and others will be more fluffy. Then I take a rag, I want to dry them. Now I simply take a plate with a paper and then they just infused during 15 minutes, maybe more. That's enough actually, it will perfume your kitchen. That's absolutely amazing. And of course we will keep them for the final touch. And now we increase the heat. We want 140 degrees for the first bath. And then we can put them into the saucepan, so be very careful. Doing this is always complicated and dangerous. I'm always struggling when I do that. Of course you want to stir it often so they don't stick, and you always want to hem the stick. You want to control the large saucepan because you don't want to get burned. It's very dangerous. Yeah, it will last maybe 10 minutes maximum. You want them white actually. You want them cooked but white. We will brown them during the second bath. Yeah, you see they are pretty much white, and now you want to separate them. You don't want them to stick, and you will let them cool down during 15 minutes. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes like this one, just subscribe to the channel. For the second bath, you want to reach 180 degrees. It's going to be very quick this time. It will last 2 or 3 minutes. You want them browned. Just like that. So, you could stop now if you are hungry, but we will let them cool down during 10 minutes this time, and we will do a third bath. They are going to be very crispy and fluffy inside, of course. It's going to be very quick this time, even less than 2 minutes. I prepare a paper towel. Yeah, it's very simple as usual. Simple Mediterranean recipes. Yeah, you can see how brown they are. Yeah, be very careful. And then... yeah, that's cool. I'm going to eat that with a mayonnaise and a piece of meat. Salt and black pepper. I add the fleur de sel as well. Sounds good, right? A last pinch of fleur de sel, and we good! Perfectly crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and made with just a few simple ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves homemade fries, and subscribe if you want more easy Mediterranean recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!